guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. As you guys see from the title, today you guys, I will be making some Christmas tree sugar cookies. Yes, I have been waiting to make some Christmas cookies. I want to make it with my daughter, but obviously she's in there playing Roblox, but I will get her to taste it and you guys will see that. But yes, so without further ado, let's make some cookies. Also, before we get started, guys, I do want to show all my earring lovers, all my ladies that like earrings, or men that like, you know, buying their jewelry for their woman. I do sell earrings, like I mentioned before. These I have on is actually in my Etsy shop. I will put that down in the description. Always, every video I have, I put down in the description my shops, all the links. You can go down in the description and find what I'm selling, whatever I'm doing, my business wise. So please go and support my shop or whatever I have down below, my businesses that I am doing in my life. So yeah, let's make these cookies. Okay, you guys, since I do not have a cooking sheet, I'm going to be using my handy dandy pan. So we're gonna work with that. All right, and it says to place cookie dough rounds on ungreased cookie sheet. So I'm not gonna put anything down inside of the pan. It has been cleaned and washed. And these are how they look when you take them out. So cute. And it is 20 cookies. So let's open it up. I know we're not gonna be able to use all of them, so. Put them in the tray. I'm gonna make space enough that they can bake as well. So we're not gonna make all of these. On the back too. Spread out. Let's do one more. You know what? I decided to go ahead and get my other one. Let's put the rest of them in. Do those the same way. Okay, I now have the cookies all set in the pan, and I have my oven set for 350. I'm waiting on it to warm, and then I'm gonna pop these babies in there. So you guys, while the cookies are in the oven baking, I am about to go and package up my earring orders that I did have today. And let me show you what orders that was placed today. The I Love My Locks, the ones that I have on now, and this one that says it's the grace of God for me. I'm going to package these while I wait for the cookies to bake, and yeah, I'll get started with that now. cookies are out of the oven. And this is how it is looking. Let them cool off a little before giving them a try. Yes, that's so cute. So now I have the taste tester, of course.
Hi, I am her daughter, Cadence. As you know, go check out my YouTube channel.
Okay. And what's your YouTube channel?
KK's TV.
Okay. You heard her, you guys. Go check out her YouTube channel, which I'll put on the screen. But we're going to get her to try a cookie. Okay. And tell me what you think.
Delicious.
Okay, good. Delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Is it sweet? Is it okay? It's not too sweet?
It's more than okay.
Okay. All right, let me give it a try. It's good. You know me, I like to dance when I eat. Decided to make me some hot chocolate. It has marshmallows inside. But I decided to make some while I eat my sugar cookies with the kids.